I built GIF Player. GIFs are playing directly on SD card. Hello guys, today I will share with you new ESP32 project. This is a GIF player. It has touch control UI like previous, Next, or GIF Selector, and also playing GIF with smooth FPS like a movie in 30 FPS.
For more projects like this, make sure to like and share this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to help our community grow. It really keeps me motivated.
Let's dive in project. What I used in the project. ESP32-S3 development board, 16 MB flash and 8 MB RAM. RAM is important, talking more about later. ILI9341 Touch Display, SD card and cartridge. We don't need external SD card reader, using directly embed on display.
Jumper cables and breadboard.
Next step is wiring. TFT driver and touch panel driver share same SPI pins, except CS pin, but SD card has a different SPI pins and using different SPI port. Careful that. As you can see in wiring schematic on the screen, you can follow this setup. Let's continue with software. I use Arduino IDE for this project. Source code published on my GitHub page. You can reach on link in description. Let's continue with Arduino IDE. At this moment, if you don't have Arduino IDE yet, go to the link, download latest version of IDE. I have used version of 2.3.8. When it downloaded, click to install. Just click over and over. Let's continue with script. I used third-party libraries like TFT ESPI or animated GIF libraries. You can reach on directly Arduino IDE libraries section or GitHub repo. If you don't have, you need to install. After that, you must be configure libraries for ILI9341 Touch Display. For doing this, go to the library's installed location on your PC. Documents, Arduino, Libraries, TFT ESPI. Firstly, open User Setup Select file with VS Code. If you don't have, you can use Notepad. Make sure this line uncommented. Save and close. Next, open User Setup file. Redefine all file like I showed. When setting is done, save and close. Next, continue with tool configuration. In this application, I used PSRAM specs mostly. That's give us 8 MB temporary memory for a GIF prep for display. Cause of ESP32, read a file from SD card after create 320 by 240 frame buffer and then pushing image to display. This takes times. One frame is almost 230 kilobytes space in memory. If GIF file has a 15 FPS in 3 seconds, that means 10 MB file. This too big for PSRAM. Other way, I save GIF file directly PSRAM from SD card temporary, but in this we have limited on 8 MB space for this job. Or we can use flash that's 16 MB and too lazy, so I choose reading SD card method. I want to play it on any GIF file directly from SD card. Only limit 320 by 240 for an uncut playing. Also, I want to control which GIF playing or automatic mode with touch control. You can move next or previous file and also select automated mode, or you can play only one GIF. Next step, tools configuration. Arduino IDE didn't come with pre-installed ESP32 board, so we need to install. For doing this, go to the link, copy that line. After, turn back to Arduino IDE. Open Preferences, click that area, paste it in here you copied. Click OK and close. Go to Board section from left on IDE. Type search bar ESP32, find that and click to install. I have used version of 3.3.7 in this script. It's take a time, please be patient.
By the way, you need to learn Touch Display Calibration value for getting correct respond on Touch UI. For do that, open Touch Calibrate example.
When installation is done, go to Tools, using ESP32, select your development board. After, choose Right COM port. Leave it default other settings. Click to Upload button. When uploaded done, you can see Touch Calibration on display. Before Calibrate, open Serial Terminal and select baud rate 115200. Also check board connection must be connected COM port. Click on Display 4 corners. When it done, you can see calibration value on the serial monitor. Copy that lines, we are using Next script. Now we are ready to open Next script. Configuration like this. Everything is okay, click to Upload button. If it is okay, you can see player screen. Sometimes you get a white screen. Please check again. Use Setup, Tool Configuration and Wiring. Continues with SD card prepare. SD card will in FAT32 formatted. All GIF files will be in card root folder. Files will be .gif extended. Extract and place it embedded SD card reader on display. Click to Reset button and GIF player is ready to use. You can control with Touch Panel. If you are touch left area on screen, going to Previous GIF. If you are touch right on screen, going to Next GIF. Or if you are touch middle of screen, going to Main Menu, GIF Selector. When in Main Menu, you can select any GIF you uploaded and also switch on Autoplay or Single GIF Playing mode with this button. Have fun! Write and comment what you want to see in next episode. Until then, bye!